welcome back to my channel. My name is Aarti and currently I'm living in Germany. In today's video, I'm going to show you my Temu order for Christmas. Only this year I came to know about Temu, so I'm very excited about this packet. So without any delay, let's start. So first thing here, and one thing guys, I got Temu package like this because when they try to deliver my package, the real package actually damaged, so they put everything in this cardboard package. So anyways, this is the first thing I got here. Let's open it. So this is this bag, shopping bag, or just like bags for treats or something like that. This I purchased for my neighbor. They have Doxy, very cute, and I want to give them on Christmas. And it comes with a small pouch also. Look how pretty. Loved it. The next thing, I got this Christmas gift wrap, and I'm very disappointed because when I saw this on Temu, I thought it's gonna be a little longer, but it's not very long, so not look like the picture I saw on Temu, but it's okay. Next thing is this, and I know what is this. This is a sticker I ordered because these sticker looks very good. Vinyl stickers actually. So I remember this. Oh my god. You can see this is a sticker full of dogs with Christmas caps and all. And you can see that I love dogs. You can see lots of dogs in my house. So that's why I purchased this. It's actually look like the picture. So I love this. I can put there. Then next is another sticker, because they are very cheap on Temu. One thing I don't like about Temu, that even if you do smart shopping, because I'm a kind of a person who like to shop wisely, I do not buy lots of hard plastic or lots of things which not good for environment. But Temu being Temu, they send everything in this kind of a thin plastic, and I'm very bad when it comes to peel tape or open such delicate things. Okay, finally. Okay. Okay. So I don't know if I can show you properly or not because it needs to be straightened out. It's a sticker. I ordered this for my kitchen. So if you can see, this is like this. And I think this sticker looks better in the picture. Next thing is this. I purchased some pillow cover for Christmas decoration, and the pillow cover which you can see behind me, they are also from Temu. We love them, so I ordered for Christmas too. I'm going to open it, but I'm going to show you only one because I don't want to reveal my Christmas theme entirely. So this is one pillow, you can see again with dogs, Labradors. I love it. This is pretty. Then I got this Christmas headband like this. Let me just wear it. And now I'm gonna make my video like this only. It looks, I think, pretty cool. Next item is another headband in such a big package. As I said, that Temu being Temu. This is very cute too. Next, another sticker with birds because I love birds. And then another sticker. We have lots of deer in a forest behind my house. Then some little things. So this is a brooch. You can see. This is looks like this. Actually, I purchased this for my mother-in-law. Then I got another one. This I purchased for myself. So this is this. Cute deer. Love it. This is also exactly like the picture. Then I got some Christmas decoration for the tree, which I can't reveal to you guys because every year I have some kind of theme for my Christmas tree. This is also a part of that. Then another brooch, same. Then I got this, and this is another shopping bag with dog picture on it. So this one I also purchased for one of my neighbor's dog. His name is Temu, and we always meet during our walks. He's such a cute dog. So I gonna fill treats inside this bag, and I gonna give this to the family on Christmas. So this is for Temu. Then this is, I think, I don't remember. Okay, this is a decoration for the, I think for the door decoration. This is like this. I can't show you completely, but it's just with dog print. Very shiny also. I can show you like this now. This is nice. Next is this greeting cards. As you can see, I love greeting cards. And they exactly look like the picture, but they are pretty small. So size wise, it's okay. I love greeting cards, so I can adjust with the size. But I thought they're gonna be a little bigger, but they are pretty cute. Pretty cute. I love cute things. Now another brooch I got. This one is pretty cute. This is the bird. Very cute bird. This I purchased for myself. Next is this. And this is a Christmas sweater. Ta-da! And this is for my Woodku. This is for my baby Woody, one of my baby. Then second last, another brooch, deer again. And last thing is this. This is a ribbon for gift wrapping. And I'm totally disappointed because in the picture, it looked like a big roll. But what I got, I didn't get a big roll. Maybe I didn't read the description, but I just go with the picture. In a picture, it was a proper roll. But what I got is this, which is total disappointment. Because if you go to any, store, art and craft store, you can get the same ribbon in a big roll with the same price tag. So this is total disappointment. I don't like it. It's like, I don't know what to say. So that's all, guys. I hope you like this mini Christmas haul of Temu. I'm pretty excited about the pillow covers and the door decoration, and I'm really excited to wear these brooches. And I hope my little Voodoo, my little Woody gonna like this. You like this? Do you like it? Would you say hi to everyone? Oh, this is my Woody. Okay, now he just wanna love, love, love. Woody, this is for you. Play with it. So I hope you're gonna like this. So with this, I'm going to end this video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.